How to do, handle a car accident. Handle a car accident safely by reviewing these instructions. Instructions: Step 1. Have your vehicle towed to a repair shop, unless it's a minor fender bender. Quick tip: if another party was at fault, have your vehicle towed, regardless of the amount of damage. Step 2. Call your insurance company as soon as possible and give them all the details. Did you know, about 40% of traffic fatalities during the winter holidays are alcohol-related? Step 3. Take pictures of your car and the other cars involved in the accident. The pictures can back you up if you're not at fault and the case is being contested. Step 4. Exchange information with all parties involved. Get names, addresses, phone numbers, car years, makes, and models, license plate numbers, and insurance information. Step 5. Don't panic. Remain calm and check to see if anyone is injured. Step 6. Take the keys out of the ignition and get everyone out of the car. Move a safe distance away from the car and the road. Step 7. Call 911 if anyone's been injured. Then call the local police so they can come and file a report. Quick tip: note the police case number. Step 8. Pull over to the side of the road and turn off the car.